I've been using this $340 Stiletto hammer almost every single day for the last 2 years, and I am going to say I'm quite disappointed with what's happened to it. So this hammer is made out of titanium, that's why it's so expensive. Titanium is 45% lighter than steel, meaning that when I swing it around above my head, it's going to be a lot easier than using a heavy steeled hammer. On top of that, it absorbs a lot of the impact, meaning I'm not getting jolts up on my elbow. And if I'm hitting something all day, every day for my entire carpentry career, I could end up with tennis elbow by using a steel hammer. In terms of the titanium body, we can have a look at it, and it's been dented up, it's been scratched up. You can tell I've used it a lot over the last 2 years. And I think this just adds character to the hammer. You can see it's been used well. And in terms of performance, that's not going to alter anything. If we have a look at the close-up on the milled head, after 2 years, that's almost the same as a smooth head. All those sharp teeth that used to be there are now quite smooth. I can easily run my hand across it, and it does not hurt nowhere as much if I accidentally hit my finger with this hammer. This milled head is replaceable through an Allen key at the back. That was something I was worried about that might rust over and become incredibly hard to change over time. So we can see the differences between the new milled head and how sharp that looks compared to the old battered one. That is not budging. Oh, that is solid. I've soaked that in WD-40. I still can't get it off. I'm aware that there's definitely going to be a way to take this off. There's other methods I can try. But just with WD-40 and pulling against that Allen key as hard as possible, that thing is stuck in there. I'll replace that another day, but I do want to get to the worst part about this hammer after 2 years. And that is this grip. If we firstly just look at the grip, it is all just worn off. There's actually no grip left on that at all. I believe that's from working in summer when my hand gets sweaty and the sweat and the friction of my hand on the hammer starts to just wear it away over time. So I've got that problem where I'm swinging it and it actually starts to come a bit loose in my hand. I can't get a proper grip. The worst thing though, if we have a close look here, this grip is about to fall off. It's hanging on by threads in some cases. And at the bottom here, this bottom bit is a bit loose. We can see if I pull that, you can see the titanium stick through at the end. Now when I bought this hammer, it comes with a 1-year warranty. And in that 1-year warranty, they will replace the grip for you. Now that year is up, and this grip is now my problem that I got to get fixed. Having a rubber grip was ultimately going to be the downfall of this hammer. I know you can get wooden handles, which maybe I'll need to look into in the future. Looking through Stiletto's website, the only options I can find to replace this grip is to send it through for a warranty if it is within that first year of purchase. This being 2 years old, I can't find any solutions there to fix this grip, and I'm sure I'm gonna have to look around for some off-market companies that do grip replacements. So obviously, with this $340 hammer, I'm really dissatisfied with this breaking after 2 years. And the worst problem is, I'm so used to the titanium hammers now that I can't just go back to a normal steel one. If you're watching this and you are contemplating buying a Stiletto, I would highly advise having a look at those timber handle hammers. I haven't used one personally, and I'd love to get my hands on one and see how it goes over the test of time compared to this rubber handled hammer.